In the 2007 release of Microsoft Office Suite of Software, Microsoft improved the integration between all Office products, allowing Excel 2007 to easily share worksheet data and charts. Through the cut, copy, and paste commands, you can move and manage Excel worksheet data between Word and PowerPoint. Through the Paste Special command, which you will find in all Microsoft Office 2007 products, you can paste the data in another format, like HTML format, picture or text format, or as a worksheet object. Let me demonstrate some of the capabilities between Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Notice that I have up here my Raspberry Brigade Project Week 1 Sales information or report. Let's say that I wanted to copy this table into a Word document. To do that, I need to select the table, and with the table selected, copy it. I'll go ahead and right-click and choose Copy. Then you can switch to your Microsoft Word application and the document that you would like to paste the table within. Set your cursor where you would like the table to display, and you can do one of two things. You can simply paste it into this document by clicking the Paste command up here in the Home tab and the Clipboard group of the Microsoft Word ribbon, or if you click the drop-down arrow, you can choose Paste Special. And in the Paste Special command, you can choose the format that you would like to paste the table within the Word document. You could paste it as HTML format, bitmap format, picture, etc. You can also paste it as a link. I'm going to go ahead and just choose the Paste command. And when I choose Paste, notice that here comes my table, and down at the very bottom in the right-hand corner, I have Paste Options. When I select Paste Options, I can keep the source formatting, match the destination table style of the Word document if I like, paste as a picture, or keep text only. I can also keep source formatting and link to Excel. Now this creates a link back to the Excel table so that any changes in the Excel table will be reflected in this linked table in the Word document. You can also match the destination table style and still link to Excel. We'll go ahead and keep the source formatting and link to Excel. And here is our table. And now, to show that this is truly linked, let me come back here to Microsoft Excel, and I'll go ahead and change one of the quantities here for my Appalicious muffins. Let's say I'll go ahead and make this 10, and when I enter that and then go back to my Word document, you'll see that up here by Appalicious muffins we still have 23. But if I right click here, I can then go into the shortcut menu and choose Update Link. And when I do this, my table will update based on the Excel worksheet and table information in the worksheet, and notice that now my quantity is 10. Nice feature to be able to link between Word and PowerPoint and Excel. You can also create hyperlinks between the Office programs. This allows you to link directly to a workbook in Excel or to a report in Word. So notice if I come down here, I have already set up some text to use as my hyperlink. Let's say I wanted to make click here my hyperlink and have it link back to my Excel workbook. I'll go ahead and highlight that information, and again right click on it, choose hyperlink. Select the document that you would like to link to, and in this case I'd like to link to 1102 start file, which is the Excel document, and when I say OK, it will create the link back to Excel, and you can test it by hovering your mouse over the hyperlink that you now see in your Word document, and notice that if you control click, you can then link back or go back to the Excel document. Notice I am in Excel now, and here is my cost versus price chart. Here is week 1, and the link is complete from the Word document to the Excel document. Another feature that is now available in the Microsoft Office 2007 suite of software is shared charting. Shared charting means that a chart can now be shared between Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. In prior releases of Microsoft Office, charts were created by Microsoft Graph for both Word and PowerPoint, whereas Excel used a worksheet to save the charted data sheet. Now Microsoft Office charts are generated using Excel chart data sheets for both Word and PowerPoint. An Excel worksheet is actually used to hold the data of your chart, but is stored in the Word or PowerPoint document or within a separate Excel document. This brings the robust functionality of charting that we saw earlier in this tutorial to Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. And also, by being stored in a separate Excel data sheet, it will reduce the file size of the Word or PowerPoint document. Let me go ahead and demonstrate shared charting. I'll first come over here into PowerPoint, and you see that I have a slide created, and I want to insert my chart right here. Notice that one of the features here within the PowerPoint interface is to insert a chart. This would be a new chart. If I select Insert a Chart command, it will open up the Insert Chart dialog box, and this should look familiar to you as we covered this earlier in the tutorial. Here is all of the Excel chart types and subchart types, as well as once you insert them, you will have the charting tools that are available to you in Excel within PowerPoint. Very nice feature. But you can also link an existing Excel chart directly to a PowerPoint presentation. And to do that, I need to come over here to Excel, and let's say I wanted to link my cost versus price chart that we created earlier in this tutorial. I'll go ahead and select that chart by clicking it once, and then right-click and choose Copy. I can then come back here to PowerPoint, select the chart area here by clicking up here on the border of this area, and then right-click and choose Paste. This will paste my chart directly here into my PowerPoint presentation. So if I change any of my Excel data that this chart is based upon by coming back here to Excel, and let's say I wanted to change the Appalicious muffin from a price of $1.25 to $2.50. When I enter that data, and then come back here to PowerPoint. Notice that down here where it's Appalicious Muffin, it's the very last product, it now has increased its price up to $2.50, as you can see by the chart.